Welcome to Unit 7. This unit is all about the past and remembering. I remember when I got my first bicycle. It was blue and I loved it. My dad taught me how to ride it and I was a good student. This unit focuses on past events in history and your own past memories. What can you remember from your childhood?
I remember when I went to my grandparents' house in Sama.
I can remember the first time I had an ice cream.
I remember going on a holiday with my family to Norway.
Who discovered the structure of DNA? And which Hollywood film star is behind the invention of Wi-Fi and mobile phones? Read the text Forgotten Female Firsts and find out. Vocabulary and listening looks at adverbs. For example, slowly, quietly, well. Adverbs are very useful when you are telling stories. I slept badly last night, so I woke up late this morning. I cycled to work very quickly. Luckily, I didn't fall on the icy roads. What do you say when it's somebody's birthday? How about when people get married? In everyday English, you'll learn some expressions in English for special occasions. Missed a class? You can go online to look at the material again and do the online activities. Are you ready? Let's get started.